They are the silent heart of our modern world. From supercars to smart homes, the electric revolution depends on one thing: the battery. It starts here in the salt flats. This white powder, lithium, is the new gold.
Precision is key. The active material is coated onto hair-thin sheets of copper and aluminum. Even a micron of error can cause a fire.
To store maximum energy, the sheets are compressed under tons of pressure. This creates a dense, powerful electrode.
Laser cutters slice the jumbo rolls into precise strips. A smooth edge prevents short circuits inside the battery.
Tabs are welded onto the electrodes. These tiny connections will carry hundreds of amps inside an electric car.
Layer by layer, the positive, separator, and negative are wound into a compact jelly roll, the heart of a cylindrical battery cell.
The wound core is carefully lowered into a metal can. Any misalignment here can ruin the entire cell.
The top cap is welded and crimped. From this moment, the cell is a sealed pressure vessel, ready to be charged for the first time. This is the moment of life. The cells are charged for the first time, waking up the chemistry inside.
X-ray vision and AI scanners check every single cell. If it's not perfect, it doesn't leave the factory.
Individual cells are weak alone, but powerful together. Robots group them into modules and weld them into a single high-voltage unit.
Constant batteries hate heat. Liquid cooling plates are sandwiched between modules to keep them at the perfect temperature, no matter how fast you drive.
Modules are combined into the final pack. This also houses the brain, the battery management system, which monitors every single cell.
Before it meets the road, it meets hell. We drown it, shake it, and crush it to ensure your safety.
Once sealed, this pack is a fortress. It must be waterproof, dustproof, and crash-proof.
expensive battery, bolts of gravity. This is the marriage. The battery becomes the car's spine, lowering the center of gravity for perfect handling.
From a pile of dust to a machine of speed. This is how we power the future.
From the mind to the motor, the journey is incredible. If you enjoyed this ride, hit subscribe and join us for the next engineering marvel.